The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Schenectady County and east central New York, northern Albany County and east central New York, southern Saratoga County in east central New York, western Rensselaer County in east central New York, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Schenectady moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 wind gust and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roof siding entries. Hail damage to vehicles is likely. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Schenectady, Albany, Saratoga, and Rensselaer.